Welcome back to the farm. Today we're working on the International 454, and what we're doing today is making a bushing up that goes inside of here, and this is the bottom bracket for the steering cylinder, and it pivots on this front pin, and the steering cylinder on the top and then on the bottom has a pin that sticks out, and there was no bushing in this at all. It must have fell out over time. It's supposed to have a grease fitting in it. So we scrounged around and found a piece of brass bushing. It has the right size diameter on the inside, fits right on that steering cylinder. So now we're just turning it down. So that it's a nice hammer and fit. I'll show you a little machining on it. So we're just going to take off a little bit more. Let's see, it's at 30. So we'll take another 5 thousandths. 10 thousandths off. And you have to double that up because it's 10 thousandths on each side. That's really taking 20 thousandths off. And let's engage it. Now only about half of it. And let's go in another 5 thousandths. Engage it. Shut it off here and take a measurement of it. These are just some cheap calipers that are around the shop here. And I'm about 32nd over 1 5/8. So I have to go down just a hair more for it to fit into that hole. That's a 1 5/8, and we want a nice tight fit, so just a little bit more. Using the South Bend 10k lathe, we redid it. Has the quick change gearbox on it, and it came with a lot of attachments, collets, a lot of tooling. There's the drawbar for the collets and the follow rest, and some face plates in there, and some more chucks, lathe dogs. I just took that one off there. 4-jaw, independent. Well, let me finish this up and then we'll cut this in half. We only need that thick. And then I'll bring you back when I got it cut. Well, now I got it all cut, the right size, fit right in there good. I still have to get a grease fitting, that's a press end type. I got it lubed up, ready to go back up in there. Should take out a lot of the slop that was in there. I'll bring you over to the tractor and show you how this goes up in there. Well, this is under the tractor. The pin goes up in here, and the whole assembly with the steering linkage pivots on that, and the hydraulic cylinder has that pin on the bottom, and it has a pin on the top too. Top one isn't bad, it's just this bottom one missing the bushing. So I'll mount this back up in there, and it should take a lot of the slop out of the steering on this tractor. There, now with the steering cylinder all back together, tractor's coming together real nice. Just need to do a little bit more sheet metal work on the front, but not too bad. Now that it's running nice, we did pick up that front bumper, that weight. Somebody had one for sale. Helps protect the front end. Well, that should be almost ready to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.